Hey guys, AI generated art seems to be the next big thing in print on demand, so today I want to show you how to get free early access to a new AI generated art program. So here we are, Leonardo.Ai. All I did was Googled Leonardo.Ai, and it's the first one that pops up. And then you do have to sign up here, so all you would do is enter your email address. This is the one on my YouTube channel, John's Financial Freedom Journey at gmail.com. Click count me in, and then go check out your email. So let's go ahead and do that. And then you will receive this email. Thanks for signing up for early access. We have some great benefits in store for our early adopters. You'll be one of the first to gain access to Leonardo AI Production Suite, which enables you to create content with ease. Then you would join the Discord server and introduce yourself. You will get priority early access, which is the most important part in this video here. The early access, and it's free. So then active members will have additional benefits such as sneak peeks, early access to upcoming features, and Ask Me Anythings with the dev teams. Then I think this is really cool as well. They will be giving out free pro tier access as a bonus for the most active contributors, so that means go in there, experiment, and you actually might get a paid version for free. Okay, so here we are in Discord, and I joined the Leonardo.ai Discord channel up here, and as you can see, it defaults to rules here, but what we want to do here is go down to getting started. Then they have multiple languages, and I cannot read Arabic, so I don't know what that says. At least I think that's what language that is. So we're going to scroll up to English, and they have really any language that you could possibly imagine. Let's keep going up here. Portuguese, Spanish, German, and here we go. Here's English. So we have to sign up for how do I generate images. In order to get an invitation to the web app, it's recommended you head over to Priority Early Access. So let's go ahead and click on that. Okay. Then, welcome and thank you for joining us on Discord. Please fill in this form to be eligible. And let's go ahead and check out the form. Yep, we are going to go to the Leonardo.ai priority whitelist. I'm guessing that meant waitlist. But anyway, yes, I have joined. What is my Discord username? I think it's Financial Freedom Journey. Used to putting the spaces in between. The email address so they can waitlist me. Let's go. I think I still have it copied. Yep, John's Financial Freedom Journey at gmail.com. And then my first name is John, and we're going to go ahead and submit this. And there we go. Now we just wait. So I will get back to you when I receive a response from the waitlist or the whitelist. So I'm going to stop this video for now. Hopefully it'll be quick. Hopefully it'll be tomorrow or something that I get a response. But I will see you guys as soon as this finishes. Hey guys, so some good news. This didn't take long at all. It only took a few hours for this email to come in. And as you can see here, it says, "Hey John, you're in. You're one of the first users to gain access to the Leonardo AI content production sites. We're excited to be ramping up the intake, but first, a few quick notes. Any images you generate will be public. Any models you fine-tune are private by default. Datasets are private, even on the base free tier during early access." So that's very important to me that there is a free tier. And then expect to see many new features over the next few weeks. That's also exciting. Then a beta version of our AI-driven canvas editor has just been released. I don't know what that is, but I'm looking forward to finding out. So you must sign up with John's Financial Freedom Journey at gmail.com, as that's what's whitelisted, and head over to app.leonardo.ai to sign up, which I already did because I had to create an account, so I did that off camera. And here we have it. Well, I got most of the way done, and let's say Financial Freedom Journey, so, just the same as my YouTube. And then we are looking at art. And this does not meet the requirements. Let's put a 1 at the end. All right, I don't know what the requirements are, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video up until I figure out what those are. Okay, so FFJ 2023, Financial Freedom Journey 2023 is my username, and we're going to go ahead and start using Leonardo. And it's that easy. It just takes a couple minutes to sign up. Of course, you have to wait a couple hours for that email to come in. At least it was a couple hours for me. So let's start exploring. This is my first time looking at it, so I will be back once I get a little bit of a feel for the prompts and things like that. So I will see you guys soon. All right, so I gave it a few minutes here, and I think I understand what I have to do. We go down to User Tools, AI Image Generation. Go ahead and click on that. And this is one that I did earlier, a dog running through a field. We don't necessarily need to do that. It costs 2 tokens to create a prompt, and you start with 250. So you get 125, and I don't know what I just clicked on. I thought I was just looking at the tokens, but here we go. Here are the different plans, and you get 8,500 tokens per month with the $10, 25,000 tokens per month with the $24, and 60,000 tokens per month with the $48. So I believe it's 1 token per image. What we were doing earlier was 2 images, so that's why it cost 2 tokens. And then you can actually change the resolution, which we'll look at in just a second. 5 pending jobs, so that's the big difference between these, it looks like to me. The amount of pending jobs you can have. With the free one, you just get 1 at a time, and then you get up to 5 with the $10, up to 10 with the $24, and up to 20 with the Maestro, the $48. So you do get private generations on the 3 paid ones, as well as priority infrastructure, and there's only a relaxed generation queue for the Artisan and Maestro. But let's go back and look at what we were doing. So AI generation here, and as you can see, number of images. I believe that directly correlates to the tokens. It must be 1 token per image. So if we click 1 here, and this is cool, you can select your image dimensions. You can go all the way up to 1536 by 1536. However, if you go anything beyond 768 by 768, this comes up. It says, note that the selected model has been trained at 768 by 768, which is the default, and I actually want that back. So you will likely find the best results by rendering at that resolution and then upscaling. So we're going to keep it at 768 by 768. Let's go ahead and use one of the prompts that we did yesterday, actually, on Midjourney. So that was black lab in a cloud of colorful smoke. I can't type today. Contoured white background. And let's go 2. So as you can see here, this will use 1 token when we have it at 1. When we click on 2, it says this will use 2 tokens. Let's go ahead and generate. And I do have to say, Leonardo seems to be a little bit faster than Midjourney, at least when I was playing around with it earlier. Yeah, there you go. That's not a white background, but that's okay. Yeah, contoured white background. And it's a lot faster, and honestly, it's better. It's more detailed than Midjourney, especially this one. I mean, look at that dog. That is incredible. Of course, you would have to upscale it. This is 768 by 768. And let's check the other styles. Let's go with, I don't know, let's go with Leonardo Signature. Try that out. We're going to go ahead and generate 2 more. And we're just on the free trial right now, so down to 246. And it resets in 6 hours. Do you get that many per day? I doubt it. I would guess that is total. Okay, I definitely like the initial one better, but that one is on a white background, so that's more what I was looking for. As far as a print-on-demand model, let's go ahead and generate here using Stable Diffusion 2.1. And this is the first time I'm playing around with this. I mean, just getting to know it as you guys are, and not a fan of those ones. So the one that I liked best was actually the Leonardo Creative so far. Let's just check out the Select and see what comes up. But I have a feeling we'll be going back to the Creative, and this one actually shows you how long it's taking. So we're up around 10 seconds. Yep, just hit 10, which feels like the longest one so far. That one's cut off, even though I do like that one. I should have said isolated up here. Maybe I, would do something like this. Isolated, contoured. So isolated will, of course, make the image isolated so it doesn't get cut off. Let's go ahead and generate 1 more time. So we'll have 5 example images. You can look at all the different styles on here. We didn't look at the other Stable Diffusion, but that's okay. I haven't been a huge fan of Stable Diffusion from the little bit that I've used it. That one's kind of cool. I like how the dog is turning colorful. Although the isolation didn't work like it does on Midjourney. Obviously, different programs will respond differently to different prompts. And prompt generation here. So I don't necessarily want to spend my tokens on this, but it's cool that if you kind of have a general idea, you can enter this, and I believe it will come up with similar prompts. And yeah, so that is Leonardo AI for you, at least the first look from my point of view. Let's actually go ahead one more time and check out what the 1536 by 1536 looks like. That might be a little large. What the heck? Let's do it anyway. And then we can try a 1024 by 1024 later if we feel like it. So I'd imagine this larger one takes a little bit longer, so sorry about the wait here. And we're up at 6 seconds, 7. Shouldn't take too long. I mean, it's not that much bigger. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about Leonardo AI or what AI generated art programs you use. Yeah, that didn't take long at all. That was what, 15 seconds? And maybe isolated isn't the right thing here. It doesn't seem to be doing what I want it to do. But let's go 1024 by 1024. Because then all you would need to do is upscale it, really 1 or 2 times to get it to the size that you need for Amazon merch. Although I do have to say, I haven't really noticed a difference in quality just by doing a Shift S and scaling it on GIMP. So that's really cool. Yeah, I like the style of Leonardo better, but I don't like the prompts as much. I really find Midjourney to be easy to use. Something like this, if I said isolated, that would have isolated it. I know I took it out on that exact one, but then it didn't do it down here. So yeah, that's basically my initial thoughts is I like the art style of Leonardo better than Midjourney, but I like the prompts of Midjourney better than Leonardo. So it's a give and take there. I'm definitely going to use all my tokens here, and by then I really should have a good feeling for which one I like better, Midjourney or Leonardo. I'm definitely going to get one or the other, one of the paid programs, paid memberships. So it's just a matter of which one at this point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link it below so you can go ahead and sign up for Leonardo AI yourself. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.